Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Today's stock pick is Unity Software Incorporated, U. August 3, 23 U.S. market might open lower as investors could continue to take profits amidst the Fitch credit rating cut. Daily U.S. stock watch list support and resistance with sentiment analysis. Disclaimer: this video is only for technical education purpose. Results does not promote or recommend any investment or trading action. August 2, 23 U.S. market ended lower as investors took profits on 5 months of gains a day after Fitch cut the U.S. government's credit rating. Dow Jones up 0.98%, S&P 500 down 1.38%, NASDAQ down 2.17%. Recap August 1, 2023. You may refer to the video link here. For the detailed increase of each stocks, please see description. Result from August 1, 2023. 100% accuracy on 5 stocks picked. U.S. stocks watch list, sentiment analysis included, August 3, 2023. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Predicted result for August 3, 2023. Stock analysis. Unity Software Incorporated, U, $41.45. Unity surge after it raised its annual forecast and posted a narrower than expected loss. Target entry price is around $43.20 to $43.60. If go below $42, I will check ADX indicator for strength of trend. If go above $44.20 and maintain, you could be headed above $45. Unity software using ADX. ADX is between 20 and 40 indicate developing trend. Plus D is above D with a good margin suggest bullish upwards movement. Sentiment analysis result. Disclaimer: this video is only for technical education purpose. Results does not promote or recommend any investment or trading action.